Hey everyone, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have this is a bag to put on your seat to sort of kind of like a tactical bag or something like that. Let me show you here what we got. This is it here. So it works as just a regular bag that you can carry around like this, but then you can open it up and it has all sorts of different features and stuff. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. Down here. So you can clip this onto the seat. Actually, I'll just do it here. You don't need to see it, but okay. So there we go. So I've clipped that onto the headrest. So now this rest of the stuff just kind of is able to sit up here. I can tighten it up and make it a little higher if I want to. But then here you have lots of different places for clips and different things here. We have a section in this little bag. Now we have this bag here, and we can put anything we want in there. This is here. These are like dividers that we can put into the bag, so we can divide it down the middle here. So let's see, where's my Velcro here? Just looking for Velcro. There we go. So we can divide it down there, and then we can divide it up here as well. So there we go. And there, now we have a divided compartment. So we have a lot of compartments here. We have a handle. That would be how we can carry it. We can unzip it up here, and then this will open up so we have more access. So we can have all sorts of different things. Let me just tighten it up here from the back, just so you get the full feature of what it is here. I just got a little clip. Okay, so let me, there. Now it's just up a little higher, so it's a little better. So now you can see, you can have little things clipping up here and here, and you got all sorts of different Velcro, the stuff that you can put Velcro on. So if you have different patches and things like I have on here, for my dog, I have different patches. You can put patches and signs and things like that on there. So depending on what your needs are, or while you're using it, you can do that. If you have carabiners, like I have on my other bag here, you can hook up carabiners into each of these little sections here, so you can clip stuff on. You can have stuff all down here. You can have little sections here for all your pens and works and stuff like that. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look here so you can see everything that's got here. So here you see we have sections here for different things here. It's like great for like police or something like that if you have your a weapon or something. But here we have all these different sections. You can put a laptop in there. Just hook everything up. We've got little zipper pouches up here even too for stuff. So pretty much anything you want you can bring in this bag, and it's just got so many little areas here to put little signs and tags on and stuff. So like I was saying here, well, this one here says I'm special. I can put I'm special on the side, and so there you go. So I have things like that for my dog in training and whatnot. That's why mine's weird, but you get the idea. So very nice bag, and then it opens up like that, so it won't open too far. But then you can zip it all back up again and take it with you when you need to leave your patrol car or any car or whatever it's in. So super cool bag. I'm gonna say this is a thumbs up. If you need it made out of really super durable material, some kind of like canvas that's very strong, probably some sort of ballistics material or something. I don't know, but really nice. I like it. So definitely good. And then when you're done, you can zip it all back up and close it, and you can either keep it like that. Well, you put the handle out and hold it and just carry it around. In the back, you have another handle here and another little section, and you can put your little business card in there so people will know whose it is. So nice. So if everybody in your department has a bag, you've got it. Even a place for a water bottle on the side. Got everything. They really thought of it all. Thumbs up.